Okay guys, last video, just to check, you should have already done your SOL prep question number 1. Let's check your work and see how you did. The factors that you should have selected at the end were 2, x minus 3, and x plus 7. All three of those, including that GCF you pulled out at the beginning, are considered factors of this polynomial. If you multiply them all back together again, you would end up with this original product that we have up here. If you need to figure out where maybe you went awry, it can be hard to find that -3 and 7, and double check that you pulled the correct values when you did your factoring by grouping. If you haven't yet, go ahead and try number 2 and 3, and when you've completed both of those, come back here and you can take a look at the answers as well. So for number 2, your factors that you should have circled, make sure I've got all this on screen for you, is -2, x minus 2, x minus 3, and your GCF of 3. Okay, we pulled a GCF of 3 at the beginning, divided that out, and here's what you were left with. You found magic numbers that had to multiply to 6 and add up to -5. The 1 and 6 was really tempting here, guys, but there's no way that you can subtract a value and have one of these be negative and also end up with a positive when you multiply. So you have to use negative and negative to make a positive for that, okay? And then just double check here. Okay, and then for your last problem, which are very similar to what you'll see on your SOL, which is why they're called SOL prep questions, of course, is number 3, and your answers there are x plus 4, x plus 5, and 2. We pulled a 2 as a GCF, and positive 4 and positive 5 were used to break this into 4 terms to factor by grouping, okay? Again, if you need to pause and see where maybe your steps went wrong, go ahead and do that. If you are feeling more confident about this, then you can begin on your homework, which will be on the next page where it says Day 3 classwork. Again, please make sure that you're doing the evens. If you would like extra practice, you can. I would recommend the odds as well, but the evens will be what I am checking. Okay, so 2, 4, and 6. Additionally, you should be working on SOL quick check number 5, and any of the SOL quick checks 1 through 4 that you have not completed yet, you need to get on that, okay? So I'll see you again soon, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.